Let's make siomai. Ground pork meat. Have our seasoning. A bit of soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Garlic powder. Of salt. And ground pepper. Then you have minced onion. Minced carrots. Onion chives. Mix all together until it well incorporated. So this is it. And let's try boiled water. And just put it here. This is ready for wrapping. We have here the siomai wrap. We put a little bit like this. And ready for steam. This is all I made. For the chili sauce, we have olive oil with chili, and then we have minced garlic. This is the chili oil, and then just mix until it golden brown, and add your chopped chili fresh, and mix again. And next is the soy sauce, and also put the vinegar or lemon. And then we have our ground pepper and the garlic powder. Add more chili if you want. And this is it. Just put in a bowl or a box. Then you have your chili sauce.